Hi, my name is Ashley, and today I will be showing you how to make small batch cookies. You will need brown sugar, baking soda, white sugar, flour, butter, an egg, and a mix-in of your choice. I'm using chocolate. You will also need a bowl, a foil-lined baking sheet, a spatula, a quarter cup, a tablespoon, and a quarter teaspoon. Always remember to wash your hands before baking, especially when doing so for others. The first step is to cut a half stick of butter. If you did not soften your butter for a few hours, cut it into tablespoon-sized pieces and place it into a microwave-safe bowl. Then you can microwave it in increments of 15 seconds, stirring in between and watching to make sure it does not overflow. Once fully melted or softened, add it to your mixing bowl. The next step is to add sugar. Add in 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Be sure to pack in the brown sugar. You can use the side of the container to do this. Now use your spatula to mix everything together. Make sure that it is thoroughly mixed with no clumps left. The next step is to add the egg. Move your bowl to the side of the sink and crack your egg open. We only need half of the egg, and I will be using the yolk. So split the eggshell and pass it between the two sides until only the yolk is left over. Then you can add it into your mixing bowl. Now mix the egg in thoroughly to the butter and sugar mixture. Now add in a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and mix. Next, add in a quarter cup of flour and thoroughly mix. Repeat this step so you have a total of 1/2 cup of flour in the dough. While mixing, it's helpful to scrape the sides of the pan using the dough to fully mix in all of the flour. Now you can prepare the mix-in of your choice. Because I'm using a chocolate bar, I'm cutting it into chunks first. Alternatively, you could use chocolate chips, M&Ms, or any type of candy that you like. Once it's ready, add it in with the dough. Next, use your spatula to mix everything together. Now, let the dough sit in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. When ready to bake, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then, remove the dough from the fridge and roll it into the size of cookie that you would like. I find it helpful to use a rolling motion with my hands to get the right shape. This amount of dough will yield about 9 cookies, but you can make them smaller or larger to your liking. Once the oven is preheated, you can put the cookies in. I prefer the bottom rack to ensure that they don't burn. Leave them in for 10 minutes, adding on 1 or 2 if you would like them crispier. Once they are done, let them cool for 10 minutes before enjoying. Thank you for watching.